Hello, my name is Jane. What is your name?
Hi, my name is Peter. Nice to meet you, Jane. Where are you from?
You too, Peter. I am from Moscow. And you?
Oh, nice. I am from USA. Bye for now, Jane.
Goodbye, Peter.
Hello, how are you? In this video, we're gonna see the first step of a conversation. So when you meet somebody, so any kind of person, any type of persons, what you gonna say first? What kind of question that you will need to ask for the first time? But this is the first step. You need to follow until and to watch the steps one by one. So this is the first step. The second step will come and to let you understand English better. Because our dream is helping you to speak English better, faster, and easier. But before, let me tell you, welcome to my YouTube channel, English with JL. Well, so imagine that you want to speak English as a beginner. Because speak English is that you are able to express yourself in this language, English, with other people. But to communicate with other people, to speak with other people, to converse with other people, so there is a way, there is a strategy. This is what I'm going to teach you in this video. Well, so, when you meet someone, is that you prepare yourself, because that speak any language means that you prepare yourself to speak with other people in that language. For example, you want to speak English, so you meet somebody, you meet with somebody. Well, and then now in meeting, so the first thing that you use, what everybody uses, is greetings. Okay, so when you meet someone for the first time, someone that you don't know, there is a way to greet him. As in this video, you see that James and Peter met together. It seems that they do not know to each other. From the first step, you see they greet to each other. They greet to each other. By greeting in English, so there are many ways to greet somebody. You can use the formal ways or the informal ways. For example, in that conversation, so Jane and Peter used the informal way to greet to each other. For example, hello, hi. This is the informal way to greet. The formal ways to greet in English, to greet someone, are that good morning, good afternoon, good evening. But in this case, it's up to the time that you meet with the person. Maybe in the morning, okay, good morning. In the afternoon, it's possible to use good afternoon. In evening, yes. Well, so in the second step is that Jane says to Peter her name. Okay, so my name is Jane. So what is your name? You see? So we use it this way in order to ask for name, information there, okay? And one of the things that is really important that everybody would like to know from each other is that the origin. The origin of someone, or the origin of you, of yourself. That, okay, the origin is that, where are you from? It's the kind of question that, see that Jane said to Peter that I am from Moscow, okay? Jane is from Moscow. Let me see that, Russia. And Peter replies to Jane that he is from USA. We can say United States. That what I want you to keep in this video is that So in meeting someone for the first time, so there are some questions that you should not ask for. When you meet someone first, okay, so there are some questions that you don't need to ask. Okay, just wait until, because you need to know that this. So meet someone is that, okay, you meet together, so you will have a relationship after meeting and then spending time together of speaking. So now it's important to say goodbye. It's important to say goodbye or take care of yourself. So many ways to say goodbye in English. Maybe goodbye, see you next time, so long, take care of yourself, bye for now, see you next, you see? So I think it's important to know this. So in a first conversation, you don't need to explore it, because you in the person, you don't know to each other, because you just met for the first time. That is why that will present you the first tip of this conversation, and then just watch until to follow the following steps, and in order to really understand how to make a good conversation with other people in English. Because speak any language means that be able to express, be able to speak, be able to communicate with other people. Well, so I hope this video saves you and helps you understand how to communicate, how to converse with other people. This is the first tip, and keep watching until to follow to have the following steps. We are preparing for you. Subscribe for more and share the videos to help other people discovering this nice channel. We oblige ourselves to help you speak English, and we love you so much. Bye for now.